Hello class, welcome to new session 2021-22. As we all know that as per DM order, classes till 13th of April will apply online. Physical classes and offline classes will not conducted. So in this pandemic we have to be safe, we have to wear the mask properly. Not in room, as you are seeing me. I am alone in the class, so I am not wearing the mask. It is not compulsory if you are at home. If you are alone in the whole room, it is not compulsory to wear the mask. So today we will discuss about transformation. Transformation, all of us have learned earlier as the form of direct indirect. अगर हम लोग ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन की बात करें तो आज इस क्लास के पहले हम लोगों ने जो भी रूल्स जो भी रेगुलेशंस इनडायरेक्ट में पढ़े हैं, दीज ऑल द रूल्स विल अप्लाई इन द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन इन सीबीएसई पैटर्न. सीबीएसई पैटर्न में जो भी ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन के फार्मूलाज, ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन के रूल्स होते हैं, इट मे बी अप्लाइड इन डायरेक्ट इंडायरेक्ट ऑल्सो. तो अगर आप डायरेक्ट इंडायरेक्ट के रूल्स क्लियर, इट विल बी वेरी इजी टू ट्रांसफॉर्म द सेंटेंस इन अदर फॉर्म to complete the transformation. So now I am going to make a chart in indirect. Which tense can be changed into which types of sentences, which types of tenses, and what is the helping verb of that particular tense. So very first make a chart here. Okay. Write here the tense. Write here the tense, and I will change into indirect. Change into indirect, and in this column we will write helping verb. Okay. As we know, there are 12 tenses. And out of 12 tenses, 6 tenses are there which can be changed into indirect, and 6 tenses are there which cannot be changed into indirect. So we will discuss about those tenses which can be changed into indirect. Very first, simple present tense. It will be changed into simple past. And helping verb of simple past is did. Second form in affirmative. In affirmative sentence we will use second form. Now second tense is present continuous. In indirect, present continuous tense will change into past continuous. In helping verb of past continuous is was and were. With singular subject we use was, and with plural we use were. Third, present perfect. It will change into past perfect. And helping verb of past perfect is hide. And last of present tense is present perfect continuous. Present perfect continuous will change into past perfect continuous. Okay, and helping verb of past perfect continuous is have been. Okay, now 4 tenses are present tense. It always will change into indirect, into past tenses. Simple present will change into simple past. Present continuous will change into past continuous. Present perfect will change into past perfect. Present perfect continuous will change into past perfect continuous. Now fifth tense is there, simple past tense. Simple past, it will change into past perfect. Helping verb of past perfect is had. Okay, now last tense, past continuous. Past continuous will change into past perfect continuous. And helping verb of past perfect continuous is had been. Okay, so if in easy form we will talk, so then starting 6 tenses are there. 4 tenses of simple present and starting 2 tenses are past tense. The starting 6 tenses are there which can be changed into indirect, and the last 6 tenses they cannot be changed into indirect. So you can see present continuous and past continuous. Okay. Sorry. No. Present perfect and simple past. Present perfect and simple past. Both the tense will be changed into past perfect. Present perfect will change into past perfect, and simple past will also change into past perfect. Okay. Now present perfect continuous and past continuous. Keep in notice. Present perfect continuous and past continuous. Both the tenses will change into past perfect continuous. Means 2 tenses, present perfect and simple past. Present perfect and simple past, both tenses will change into past perfect. Present perfect continuous and past continuous. Both these 2 tenses will change into past perfect continuous. So these are the rules of direct and indirect, and in CBSE board we will find it in the form of transformation. Keep it in your fair notebook and learn it. Thank you class and have a good day.